Spain has always been a dream destination for expats, and it's easy to see why. With its warm Mediterranean climate, relaxed pace of life, and exceptional quality of living, it's a country many would love to call home. Please watch to the end to discover all the options that are open to you and your family. But if you've heard of the Spanish Golden Visa as a fast track to residency, here's the big update. As of April 2025, the Golden Visa is no more. It's been officially scrapped, bringing an end to a 12-year policy that allowed non-EU nationals to gain residency by investing in property. So how can you legally move to Spain now? Let's break down the visa options still available and the pros and cons of each, so you can plan your move the right way. Unless you're an EU, EEA, or Swiss citizen, yes, you do need a visa. That includes UK nationals post-Brexit, as well as US citizens and most others. If you're planning to stay in Spain for more than 90 days in any 180-day period, a long-stay visa is essential. So what are your options? First up, the non-lucrative visa. Perfect for retirees or financially independent individuals who want to live in Spain without working. You'll need to show proof of income, typically over €30,000 per year, and have full health insurance. You can't work in Spain on this visa, but it does allow you to bring family and can lead to permanent residency after 5 years. Pros: simple requirements, family-friendly, and long-term potential. Cons: no employment allowed, and yearly renewals at first. Next, the digital nomad visa, introduced in 2023. This one's ideal for remote workers employed by companies outside of Spain or freelancers with international clients. You'll need proof of income, a clean criminal record, health insurance, and evidence of remote work. It's a great option if you want to live in Spain and still earn from abroad. Pros: legal work status, residency rights up to 5 years, and it includes family. Cons: watch out for tax implications under Spain's digital nomad rules. Studying in Spain? Then the student visa is your go-to method, with proof of enrollment at a recognized institution, accommodation, financial means, and health cover. You can live legally in Spain during your studies, and even work part-time. Then there's the work visa for those with a job offer from a Spanish employer. It's employer-sponsored and mostly limited to high-demand sectors like tech, engineering, or healthcare. It can lead to permanent residency and allows for family reunification, but the paperwork can be intense and depends on job market needs. Finally, the family reunification visa. If you have close family legally residing in Spain, this visa could allow you to join them, provided they've been living there for at least a year and meet income requirements. So, while Spain's Golden Visa has closed its doors, the country still welcomes those who bring skills, remote work, education, or family ties. Whether you're dreaming of retirement, remote work by the sea, or reuniting with loved ones, there's still a way to make Spain your home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions about moving to Spain. Please use the link in the description below if you are thinking of buying property. We have been selling property here for 20 years, so feel more than qualified to help you make that dream move come true. Please don't leave it too late.